I welcome you all. Today we are going to discuss 4.3. Exercise 4.3. Question number 1. Express each of the following surds in the simplest form. How to express the surds into simplest form? To express the surd in simplest form, first make the multiples, write the multiples for it. How? First one is square root 180. Okay, just first take the LCM for 180 or make the multiples for 180. 180 divided by 2, 290 times 245 times, then 315 times 45, 3 5 times, and then 5 1 times. Okay, how to substitute it? Like this, we can write it here: 2 square multiply 3 square multiply 5, and according to law we can write surds of 2 like this. So I am able to write 2 square 3 square and 5 square. It becomes 2 multiply 3 square root 5, which is 6 square root 5. That means the answer is 6 square root 5. Okay, second is 3 square root 162. Just find the multiples for 162. 162 divided by 2 is 81. Then 3 27 times, 3 9 times, 3 3 times, 3 1 times. Okay, this 3 is a constant, just write it here: 2 multiply. Now the order of surd is 2. Okay, order of surd is 2, so try to write the multiples in square form. We can write 3 square and 3 square. Then we can write it as square root 2 square root 3. Okay, so it becomes 3 square root 2 multiply 3 multiply 3. 3 3 times 9, 9 3 times 27 square root 2. Okay, third is 3 by 4 cube root of 128. The order of surd is 3. Okay, first make the find the multiples for this. 128 divided by 2 is 64. 2 64 times, then 2 34 times, 2 16 times, 2 8 times, 2 4 times, then 2 2 times, 2 1 times. Clear? Now what is the order of surd? Order of surd is 3. So try to write all the multiples in cube form. Okay, there is a cube root. Now how many? 1 2 3 4 5 6 7. Okay, we have 7. We can write it as 2 cube multiply 2 cube multiply multiply 2. Okay, now separate the roots. This can be written as cube root cancel with cube, 3 multiply 2 multiply 2 square root 2. This becomes 2 times 6, 6 2 times 12 square root 2. Okay. Fourth, 96 y7 z8. This is fifth root. First find the multiples of 96. These are, what are the multiples for 96? It becomes 2 exponent 5. First divide 96 with 2. It becomes 48. Divided by 2, it is 24. Then it is 12, 6, 3 and 1. We can write 2 exponent 5, 1 2 3 4 5 multiply 3. We can write it as clear. Okay, now 2 is written like this, and this becomes 3 x5 dot x y5 multiply 2 z5 multiply cube. It becomes 2 x y z root of 3 x y square z cube, and this is the fifth root. Clear? This is the answer. Okay, question number 2, simplify. To simplify the surds, you must simplify the denominator to multiply okay. According to the rule, we can write square root 18 divided by square root 3 multiply 2. We can write it as, okay. And what about 18? Write the multiples for 18. 2, 18 divided by this 6. You can just we can write it as, and it becomes square root 3. 6 1s are 6, 6 3s are. You can write it as also, or there is another way. First write the multiples by using this, and you can also cut the terms, cancel the terms. Okay, second, square root 21 square root 19 divided by square root 63. Okay, you can write it as, by using the law, 21 multiply 19. 21 multiply 19 is 189 divided by 63. This is the root. Just divide these two terms, you will get square root 3. Okay, fourth, okay, third, 243 x5 y10 z15. We can write it as, first find the multiples for 243. These are 3 5. Okay, x5 we can write it as 5.5, and this is 15. We can write it as z55. This becomes 3. This is the fifth root. Just cancel some cancellation. You will get 3x y square z cube. 4. Fourth part. 4 by 5 125 cube root. Okay, 4 by 5. What is the cube root of 125? We can write it as 5 cube. Okay, so it becomes 4 by 5 multiply 5, cancel these, you will get 4. Fifth, 21 7 and 3. Just use the law. We know that if there are a b, we can write it as ab. So just write it as 21 7 3. It will become 21 multiply 21, which is 21 square, and this is the second square root, it becomes 21. Simplify by combining terms. In question number 3, you are going to simplify by combining the terms. First one is 45 minus 3 square root 20 plus 4 square root 5 plus 4 square root 5. Okay, now think for that number on which all these three terms can be divided. There is 5. 45 is also divided by 5, 20 is also divided by 5, and 5 is in 5. So we can write it as 45 9 multiply 5 minus 3 4 multiply 5 plus 4 into 5. We can write it as 9 5 minus 3 4 square root 5 plus 4 square root 5. Just take the surd of 5 common from all these, you will get square root 5 is 9 is 3 minus 3 multiply 2 plus 4. This becomes square root 5 into 3 minus 6 plus 4. 3 minus 6 plus 4 is 1, so the answer is square root 5. Okay. Second, 4 square root 12 plus 5 square root 20 minus 3 square root 75. Now think for that number on which all these are divided, 12, 27 and 75. These are all divided on table number, on which table? 3. 12 is divided by 3, 27 is also divided by 3, and 75 is also divided by 3. So we can use the multiples of 3 with this. 4 multiply 3 plus 27 divided by 3 is 9 multiply 3 minus 3. 75 multiples are 25 multiply 3. There is also one more term, square root of 300, which I missed. Okay, For that, this is the 100 multiply 3. Just take common square root 3 from all these. You will get 3. Okay, you will get 3. There is 4. Okay, 4, and this is the root of 4. You can write 2 square root to cancel. This becomes 2. Okay, plus 5 multiply 3 minus 3 multiply 5 plus 110. Okay, this becomes square root 3 into 18. Part 3 is as square root 3 2 square root 3 plus 3 square root 3. Just take common 3 from all these. You will get 2 plus 3. 3 cancel. 3, 2 plus 3 5. This becomes 15. Next is 2 6 square root 5 minus 3 square root 5. You can take square root 5 common. It becomes 6 minus 3, which is 3 2 times. This becomes 6 square root 5. Question number 4, simplify 3 plus square root 3 into 3 minus square root 3. It's simple. It is a plus b, a minus b. That is the formula a square minus b square. So we can write it as 3 square minus square root 3 square, which is 9 minus 3. The answer is 6. Second, same, square root 5 plus square root 3. We are going to open the formula here, a plus b whole square. Okay, which is a square plus b square plus 2ab. When you going to apply this formula, you will get 8 plus 2 square root 15. Okay, next square root 5 square root 3. Square root 5 minus square root 3. It is a plus b, a minus b. Again it is a minus b, a plus b, a minus b. Again it is a square minus b square. So it becomes 5 square minus 3 square. It is 5 minus 3, which is 2. Part number 4 and 5 are similar in the same way. Part number 4 is a plus b and a minus b. Again the same formula will apply, a square minus b square, and you will get 5 by 3. And in part number 5 there is a plus b, a minus b, a plus b, a square. You will combine the first two terms and last two terms. Okay, first two terms becomes square root x whole square minus square root y whole square, and the last two terms are the x square plus y square. You will get x4 minus y4 as the answer. Thank you.